Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP, JPY, USD CAD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as you can see that Euro USD is an uptrend right now, but you can also see that I have got many lines here drawn on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on the chart of Euro USD. Let's try to unfold these levels, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Let's get started. So if you look at the overall trend of Euro USD, then you can see that still the chart is in downtrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, the chart is in downtrend for last couple of weeks, but if we look at the present trend of the market here, or if we just focus on this present trend, then we can see that Euro USD is very bullish right now. So overall trend of the market is towards the downside and the present trend of the market is towards the upside. Overall trend is in downtrend for last couple of weeks. Okay, but our trades hardly last for couple of hours, max to max 1 day, isn't it? Therefore we will mainly be focusing on the present trend of the market, which is in uptrend. If you are a trader whose trades last for a couple of weeks to months, then you should only be looking for selling opportunities because overall Euro USD is in downtrend. But if you are a trader like me whose trade lasts for a couple of minutes to couple of hours, then you should only be looking for buying opportunities right now because the present trend of the market is very bullish. And as we all know, the basic rule or the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. So follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So trend of the market is clear to us, and the next important point is the area of value. Area of value, as I have been talking about it for the last couple of months, is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in an uptrend market. The best trading opportunity or the best buying price is always near the support, whereas in the downtrend market it is always near the resistance. And Euro USD is in uptrend right now, therefore our best opportunity, area of value or the best buying price will also be near the support. And you can see that I have drawn a trend line here. Okay, generally I do not prefer to draw such steep lines, but you can see that the market is following this trend line as a support. Therefore your first trading opportunity on the chart of Euro USD is buy at this trend line. Right now it is trading here. Do not go for buy or sell, because if you go for a buy here, your risk to reward ratio will not match. Your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. As a result, wait for a market. Okay, wait for the perfect price to come down to your territory. Okay, so wait for the market to come down. So when market will be hitting this trend line, just wait and watch and just see how the price is reacting. If you see that just like previous times, market is just bouncing from the trend line. See, you can see that whenever market came to the trend line, it immediately bounced. So if you see market bouncing from the trend line immediately, then easily you can go for buy. Okay, on the other hand, if market crosses the trend line, listen to me carefully, if market crosses the trend line, then obviously you will not be buying, but again you will not also sell, because if market crosses the trend line, then you can hope that market will be taking support at this red line 1.1800. Previously 1.1800 was the resistance for the market, but as we all know, resistance becomes support in the market and support becomes resistance in the market. Previously it was the resistance, and therefore the same level will be acting as the next support for the market. So in case market crosses the trend line or fails to give support to the market, then definitely market will be getting the next support at this line 1.00. And when market will be bouncing from this level, then you can go for buy. So your first trading opportunity is this trend line. Your second trading opportunity is buying at this support level. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avillashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 68% retail traders have taken short position and 31% retail traders have taken long position. As we all know, my dear friends, 90% retail traders lose money. More than 90% lose money, and the main reason they lose money is that they fail to follow the trend of the market. This market is heavily under the dominance of buyers right now. Overall trend is a different chapter, but this market is an uptrend right now. So do you think that you should be looking for shorting opportunities, or do you think that you can make money by shorting this market? No. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Only go for buy at this market. Okay. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities. If you are interested, just go to the pro trader section on my website. You'll find all the necessary information. Okay. And if you are interested in workshop or personal classes with me, then you can just visit the workshop section on my website, Avilash Hajarika. Under workshop section, you'll find all the information. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood what should be your trading strategy on Euro USD chart. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.